For the longest time, when we thought computer, we probably pictured that big, black box humming away under a desk. But that world has completely changed. Today, we're going to look at modern computers in a totally new way. Not as boring boxes, but as vehicles. So let's get you behind the wheel and start the tour. And really, that's the whole idea right there. I mean, think about it. If you're just driving to the grocery store, you don't need some massive gas-guzzling 4x4, right? It's exactly the same with computers. That old idea of a one-size-fits-all machine, it's just gone. The real key is matching your digital vehicle to your journey, not somebody else's. Okay, so to get started, let's set our baseline, the classic desktop tower. Think of this as the off-road truck, or maybe the kit car of the computer world. This is for the enthusiast, the person who loves to pop the hood, swap out parts, and really tune that engine for every last drop of performance. It's the absolute peak of power and customization. But let's be honest, it's also total overkill for most of us. So here's our roadmap for the tour. First, we'll look at the daily drivers. Then we'll check out the family workhorse. After that, we'll get a big picture view of the digital superhighway, and finally, we'll help you choose your perfect ride. All right, first stop on the tour, the daily drivers. These are the personal vehicles you'd use to navigate your digital life, day in and day out. So when we talk about these daily drivers, you've basically got three main flavors: the sleek sedan, the zippy motorbike, and the super portable scooter. Each one is great at something specific, but, and this is important, each one comes with a pretty big trade-off. Let's break them down.
First up, the all-in-one, or AIO. This is our sleek family sedan. All the computer guts are built right into the monitor. It looks fantastic, it's super simple to set up, and it makes your desk look incredibly clean. But, and it's a big but, the engine is sealed. You can't really upgrade anything important like the processor or graphics card, so the power you buy on day one is the power you're stuck with.
Next, we have the mini PC, which is our city motorbike. These things are tiny, shockingly small, but they pack a serious punch. They're perfect for hiding behind a monitor, or as a home theater PC, they can handle 4K video and all your office work no problem. The trade-off, it's all about heat. That tiny case just can't cool a big, powerful graphics card, so it's not the machine for serious gaming or heavy-duty video rendering. And our smallest ride is the Stick PC, the electric scooter of our digital showroom. It's literally the size of a big USB stick and plugs straight into any HDMI port on a TV or monitor. Its superpower is just pure portability. You have a whole computer that fits right in your pocket. The price for that tiny size, though, is power. It's great for light web browsing or making a dumb TV smart, but that's about it. Okay, let's pull over for a second and totally shift gears. Every vehicle we've seen so far is a personal ride, something for you to drive. This next one is completely different. It's a workhorse. It stays parked at home and works for the whole family 24/7. And this is the absolute key difference with a home server. You don't sit in front of it to browse the web or check email. Its entire job is to run silently in the background, providing services to all the other devices in your house. It's the family's digital van, just always there and ready to do the heavy lifting. So what does this workhorse actually do? Well, first, it's like a central data warehouse, your family's own private cloud. It gives you one safe place for every photo, every document, instead of having them scattered all over everyone's phones and laptops. Second, it becomes your personal Netflix, streaming your movie collection to any TV or tablet in the house, no subscription needed. And third, it can be the central brain for your smart home, making all your different gadgets actually talk to each other and work together. So you might be wondering, how do you even use a computer that's tucked away in a closet somewhere? Well, it runs headless, and that just means it doesn't need its own monitor, keyboard, or mouse. You just log into it and manage it from your laptop or phone right over your home network. It just does its job quietly in the background. Okay, so we've toured the personal garage. Now I want you to zoom out with me. Way, way out. We're going from the vehicles parked in your home to the massive commercial fleet that powers the entire internet. Welcome to the digital superhighway.
If a home server is like a local delivery van, an enterprise server is a full-on commercial cargo truck. It's not built for just one family. It's engineered for insane reliability and massive scale. It's designed to serve thousands, even millions of people all at once. These are the engines that run pretty much every website, app, and online service you use.
Right, so you have this fleet of thousands of these cargo trucks. Where do you put them all? You can't just line them up on the street. You need a specialized parking garage. And that's exactly what a server rack is. It's a standard metal frame that lets you stack all these servers vertically, which saves a ton of space and helps manage all the heat and wiring.
And to finish the picture, let's zoom out one last time. If the servers are the trucks and the racks are the parking garages, then a data center is like a giant international logistics hub or a shipping port. We're talking about a massive, secure, climate-controlled building that houses thousands and thousands of these server racks. These hubs, all connected by fiber optic cables, literally form the backbone of the internet.
All right, we have seen everything from the tiny scooter that fits in your pocket to the global hubs that power our entire world. So now, let's bring it all back home. Let's figure out how you can choose the right vehicle for you. It's time for your test drive. And really, it all boils down to this one simple question. What is your digital journey? What do you actually do? Are you a writer who just needs a clean, simple workspace? A movie buff who wants to build an awesome home theater? Or are you that enthusiast who just loves to get in there and tinker? Because your journey is what defines your vehicle. So let's just run it down nice and simple. If your main priority is simplicity and style, the all-in-one is your ride. If you need hidden power for a small space or a media center, the mini PC is your best bet. For maximum portability, I mean something you can throw in a bag, it's the Stick PC. If you want to build a 24/7 hub for your whole family, you need a home server. And if you just want raw, maximum power and control, that off-road desktop is still the undisputed king of the road.
So you see, the old idea of a computer is just gone. It's not a one-size-fits-all box anymore. It's a whole showroom of specialized vehicles, each one built for a different kind of trip. So now that you've seen the options, the only real question left is, which road will you take?